What's going on, guys? Bazzy here, and welcome to the No BS Cluster ARK ASM server installation guide. Now, in last video, you can see that here if you missed it, we went through each and every step that I feel like personally is the most common steps that you probably will need to take. In this episode, we are going to be focusing on making sure that you have a clustered server. So we're going to make sure that they're functioning properly. You can join each server. And with that, yeah, let's get to it. So basically, you need to have two servers. And so you click up here. Now you have a different server. This one is called the island. That is foolish because we made that into Ragnarok last time. Doesn't matter at all now. But this one, let's say we want an aberration. Because that will be so much easier to show you. The server is also going to be raw test server. Why? Well, simply because this is just a test. Same goes for ports as in last video. You don't need to change these, but make sure they are not the same as on this one. This one is on 8000. This one is on 7777. Everything here is fine. Same goes for Archon. Make sure this one is not the same as the last one. And then pretty much what I will do is just sync this with the Ragnarok. I will select all and I will process and I will do yes. What this will do, it will take each and every setting from Ragnarok that we did in the last episode to this one. Now they are a duplicate, which is so convenient. Bam, there we go. Although you will notice it did not copy this. Why? Well, they cannot be the same, so this is super convenient. They in fact don't give you the mods either, but let's say you don't want mods in the server. Who knows? Regardless, this is how you do that. So now we want this to be a clustered server. How do we do that? Super easy. We go down here and then we take cross ARK data transfer cluster ID. This is something you will need to do. And let's say raw test, and then you want to have a unique ID that no one will ever guess. So let's 1, 2, 3 because that's super convenient. You want to have this one checked. You want to go down, nothing here, and here is where all the magic happens. So you have selected the ID for your cluster. Now you will want to enable these guys. Enable tribute downloads. This means that when you are on your clustered server, you can now download the tribute, whether that's your survivor item or dino. You can also check mark here. If you don't want them to be able to download the survivor, bam, they cannot. If they don't want items, bam, they cannot. Since now we're going Ragnarok and Aberration, there will be foreign dinosaurs here. So I will check this one because like Aberrations cannot bring in flyers, etc. If we don't do this, but now we can. Same goes here, no survivor uploads. You don't want to have any of that. And then you can select how many dinosaurs, how many tributes you want them to be able to take. That's up to you. Just make sure you read these ones. But as long as you have, don't check mark these guys at all and have the cluster ID, that's as simple as it is. Now you save this guy, you go over here, you make sure this guy has the same settings. This one, allow foreign dinosaur. And then we go back up here and we are using the same ID and cluster. Bam! That's as simple as it is. Congratulations, you have a clustered server. I will see you in the next one. If this was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and shoot me a comment. It's always fun to see you guys. I will appreciate you being here. Take care. I'm Bazzy. I'm out. Bye-bye.